To perform the captain's chair leg raise, first, make sure your body's firmly pressed against the pad and that your arms are secure. You need to lock down your shoulders and get ready for this because we don't want your shoulders to ride up in your ears during this exercise. Then, tighten your core and pull your legs nice and high. We're looking to get your hips at a 90-degree angle. As you come up, breathe out. You'll feel that contraction in your abdominal muscles. And as you come in, breathe in. Continue and repeat with good form through all programmed repetitions. This exercise is the captain's chair leg raise. It's an excellent exercise for your core, and I've got a captain's chair to work with. Let's get into it. So the captain's chair leg raise is a powerful abdominal exercise. See how Katie's got her upper body braced really strong so their back's flat against the pad? She's not swinging in her lower back or her hips, and she's fighting the momentum with her core. Now, if you can't quite knock this one out, you can regress it a couple different ways. The first way is you can come up one leg at a time with one leg bent in. Excellent job, Katie. There you go. Yep. And then roll it up nice and tall. That makes the weight that you're moving, it's all the way cut in half. It's a little more manageable. But Katie's really strong, so she's making it look easy. The other variation, if you're having a hard time, is bend those knees and drive them up into the chest. Again, we're not looking for the swing here. Can you show us what it's like to use some momentum? So that, there we go. Like, we don't want that yet. We don't want that. We want to be strong enough in our core that we can control the abdominal movement. Excellent job, Katie.